So even if you're already familiar with other social networking sites like Facebook or Twitter, you'll want to take some time to learn your way around the LinkedIn interface. Let's take a look. When you sign into LinkedIn, you'll see several different options near the top of the screen. These allow you to navigate between your homepage, your profile page, the job search tool, notifications, and more. On the homepage, you'll see recent updates from your connections, as well as any companies or groups that you follow. If you select the profile icon in the very top right, you can quickly change your basic settings or access more advanced settings. There's also a search bar at the top, which allows you to quickly search for anything on LinkedIn. Okay, so those are the absolute basics of navigating LinkedIn. At this point, I'd invite you to dive in, start exploring, and see everything LinkedIn has to offer.